Hello everyone. Welcome back to our Amatip IT channel. Today we'll be talking about event handling in JavaScript. Event handling in JavaScript is an essential concept that allows you to interact with the user and respond to different actions they take on a web page. JavaScript provides a variety of event types such as click, hover, and keypress to handle user interactions. To add an event handler to an element, you can use the addEventListener method, passing in the event type and a callback function. The callback function is executed whenever the specified event is triggered, allowing you to perform certain actions or execute specific code. You can also attach event handlers directly in HTML using the "on" attribute, like "onclick" or "onMasienter". When the event occurs, JavaScript executes the code inside the callback function to respond to the action. To access the element that triggered the event, you can use the "this" keyword within the event handler. You can also access the event object, which provides details about the event and allows you to prevent default actions. By using event handling in JavaScript, you can create interactive and dynamic web pages that respond to user actions. Event bubbling is an important concept in event handling, as it allows events to propagate from child elements to parent elements. To stop event bubbling, you can use the "stop propagation" method or "event cancel bubble" property. Sometimes, you may need to remove event handlers from elements, and you can do this using the removeEventListener method. In addition to handling built-in events, you can also create custom events in JavaScript using the "custom event" constructor. Custom events enable you to define and trigger your own events, providing more flexibility in your web application. To dispatch a custom event, you can use the "dispatchEvent" method and pass in the custom event object. Event handling is a fundamental skill for JavaScript developers, as it allows you to build interactive and engaging web applications. Remember to always test and debug your event handlers to ensure they work correctly in different scenarios. That's all for today's tutorial on event handling in JavaScript. Thank you all for watching and see you in the next video.